In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, go into Sound Recorder app and click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. If you wish to delete your recording right away, click on this X on the right and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to save it instead, select this square on the left. Now you can name your recording however you want to, if you want to. And save its new name by choosing OK. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to access a list of your recordings from main screen, click on this right button with 3 lines when recorder is off. To play one of them, click on the chosen one. And to delete it right away, hold it and use this bin icon at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!